To insert a pivot table in Excel, simply select your data, go to Insert, then click Pivot Table. Click OK. However, if you do it in this way, when you have a new entry to your data, you have to manually change the data source to including the new entry. So if you go to Pivot Table, go to Change Data Source, you can see it only default to what you have selected before. If you want to include in the new entry, you have to reselect the whole thing and click OK. To resolve this problem, it is strongly recommended you convert your data into a table first. You can simply do it by press Ctrl+T if you are using PC in your keyboard, or command+T in your keyboard if you use Mac. And then this window pop out, click OK. So to convert your data into a table, then go to Insert, Pivot Table, click OK. And now your pivot table will automatically pick up a new entry. If you go that, go to your pivot table, go to Change Data Source, you can see it including everything. Click OK. Now you can start to use pivot table to do your analysis. Simply drag the field into the row or column, depends on your personal preference for the layout. And then select those numbers you like to sum or count or do average into the value field. By default, if it's a number-like field, Excel will default to sum. If it's a number-like, it will default to count. So in this case, for the price, I like to say average instead of sum. I can just select that and right-click the mouse and click Field Settings, select average. I can also change the number display for that field. Say I like to say currency. OK, OK. There you go. You have your pivot table to have the summary of the data as you want it. If you double click the number, it is showing what that number was made from.